Hello, my friends. Today I'm here with my daughters, Anna and Genesis. And today we are going to show you how to wash our carpet. About this vacuum, the brand is Hoover, and we use this chemical right here to wash our carpet. So I usually wash it. Supposed to be washing it every 3 months, but I skipped the last 3 months. But today I'm gonna be washing my carpet. Yeah. And there is Hershey's. So if you have pets at home, this is a good chemical that you can use. It's for deep cleaning. So it has this tag right here that you can remove. One side you put water. Right here you fill it up all the way to the top. And then on the other side is where you put the solution, which is this right here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and open it, and then we're gonna put the solution in here. Get it up all the way to the top. Right there. The next thing you have to do is you have to make sure that it's in the wash position and put it in wash. You choose the type of wash you want to do, which we're going to do a deep cleaning. We already put the water in the tank, and we also put the solution on the other side. Cut! So right here we have finished the first bedroom, and a good tip is try to open the windows, because that way you can remove the humidity out of the room, because now that you wash your carpet, there's a lot of moisture. So a good way to remove it is to open the windows. That's going to help remove humidity. So you do 3 different steps. First, you wash. So that's when you release the chemical with the water, and then you do a rinse. So with the rinse, you don't release the chemical, you only release water. You just vacuum the water out of the carpet. And that's how it looks pretty nice. And then here's Genesis. We're gonna do her room next. So we're ready to do that. Hello, so this is one of my daughter's room. So first we washed it, then we rinsed it, and then we vacuumed the water. So that's the 3 steps you have to do. Alrighty, so here's the third room. This is my little one's room. Came out really nice as well. And I also did the hallway. And the hallway, I'm about to remove the water, to vacuum all the water from the carpet. Because right now, I already washed it and rinsed it, so I just have to remove the So this is how dirty the water it gets after I do a cleaning. So I probably got maybe 6 or 7 buckets like this full of dirty water that's from the carpet. So this vacuum cleaner it's really good. I really recommend it, and it's not hard. It's something you can do yourself. You can save up some money, you know. And thank you for watching.